This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Jill Crinion. Welcome to this gorgeous home perfectly situated on 1.15 acres just north of Rosepine. This beautiful home features new HVAC and hot water heater, open floor plan with large spacious rooms, dining area, stunning foyer kitchen boasts tons of cabinets, granite countertops, and breakfast bar. Huge owner's suite with 2 large walk-in closets. Please call Jill Crinion 337-348-2652 with Century 21 Delia Realty Group to view this home. For more information, review the details below.